What are we on, day 6? Let's do very berry cobbler. Let's cook. Welcome to episode 6 of our protein pack parfait series. Today's ingredients are vanilla protein powder of your choice, mixed berry Greek yogurt of your choice, protein granola, fresh raspberries, fresh blueberries, fresh blackberries, and reduced fat Cool Whip. We're going to begin this recipe with 5.3 ounces of mixed berry Greek yogurt of your choice. For this recipe, we're using the OIKOS Pro. Next, add a half a cup of vanilla protein of your choice. For this recipe, we're using the Dymatize mass gainer. Then add 2/3 cup of protein granola. Mix until blended smoothly. Add yogurt and granola mixture to a serving dish, followed by 1 tablespoon of reduced fat Cool Whip, along with your fresh berries, and enjoy. I don't even gotta say anything. You already know what it is. So good. If you guys like this video, please give it a like, positive comment, consider subscribing. See you tomorrow. Don't forget your threads, baby. Macros down below.